they'll be there tomorrow night at ANZ Stadium when the Rabbitohs take on the Titans. Just a bit more on this Shane Warne Brett Lee incident from last night. Warne suffered a broken hand after being struck by an unintentional beamer from Brett Lee in the MCC 7-week win over the rest of the world at Lords. Lee was quick to hold up his hand and offer his apologies after hitting the 44-year-old leg spinning great captain the World 11 first ball in the exhibition match. Warne batting at the end of the innings went on to face 4 more deliveries as he signed about 293 for 7 in their 50 overs. Yuvraj Singh top scored with 132. There were some big names there: Brian Mara, Rahul Dravid, Shahid Afridi, Adam Gilchrist, Kevin Peterson. It was all played at Lords, and the time you were looking was there as well. 180 or something? He did. 181 of 145 balls, if you don't mind. Absolutely. And then Sachin Tendulkar 44. She had a stand at 100. How many runs did pitch? I'll find out for you, Blocky, and come back to you. She just hasn't got it.
That was for charity,
Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it by the looks of things at Lords.
It's got to be dirty on breaking his hand in a charity match. If he did bowl because Boomer only Lee bowls at 140 kilos or something.
That's you, mate. We like bowling you.
I can bowl that basketball, really.
No, that's all we did.
You were a seamer or I was a medium pace. I didn't want to run too fast. I was actually originally a wicket keeper, but I had
You should have been a spinner, Darry. You only have to take 2 steps and away you go.
I tried spinning, but the size of his fingers.
Lara made 23.
Spins it.
Lara made 23. We'll take a break on the continuous call team before we take that break around the grounds for Accor Hotels. Don Mosley.
Video ref just pure approximate try of the West Tigers. That try has now been awarded. Mark, and it's now the Panthers 26 leading the West Tigers 10. Keep the company, the West Tigers 3 to go.
Thank you, Donnie. We'll take a break and come back with more of the continuous call.
This is how Type House King Leader Sale.